Yo, Cycling Chef, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Dito tayo sa Clark. So, it's the race weekend. Para maiba lang, no? Hindi naman palaging ang sinishare natin is the track reading about the race course. Tapos, hindi lang ang sinishare natin palaging yung race itself. Although, it's a great video to share. Gusto ko rin i-share naman sa inyo yung ano ba yung nangyayari kapag race week. For example, today it's Saturday, and ano ba yung usual na ginagawa ko kapag coming into the race. Tomorrow is the Overland Gravel Race. So share ko sa inyo yung buong ginagawa natin kapag Saturday. And of course, syempre, nagawa na naman natin yung ating mga workouts in preparing coming into the race. Hopefully, sa awa ng Diyos, matapos natin yung karera. At the same time, we can hope for a great result. At yun ang ating mga goals sa karera. Ngayon, as I have mentioned a while ago, share ko naman sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga preparation natin during the race weekend. So today nandito tayo sa Clark. Magkakaroon tayo ng shakeout ride. Although ginawa naman natin yung mga testing about the bike, about the setup, about the tires. Syempre kailangan pa rin nating i-ride today para at least tomorrow ready na yung equipment natin. Meron tayong gagawing ride ngayon. Hindi na tayo magti-trail. We're just going to wake up the legs, do some activation para ready na tayo for tomorrow's race. So yun mga kapadyak, samahan nyo ako sa video ito. Okay, agabi, winax natin yung kadena natin. It's a good thing, before the race day, kailangan i-ride na muna natin siya para maalis yung stiffness doon sa kadena natin. Maingay pa yung kadena ko kasi kakawaks lang kagabi. Dito nga pala tayo sa Mimimosa. Dito mismo yung event center ng race, start and finish. No crazy efforts today. Just enjoy the ride and test the bike, test the setup. Tingnan natin kung meron pang kailangan baguhin, kung meron pang magiging mga problema. Pero hopefully wala na, okay na yung setup. And after the shakeout ride and testing the bike, syempre kukuha tayo ng race bib. Doon ang kuwanan sa Cycles and Brew. Siyempre, coming into the race, maigi rin na nakapag-track read ka. Pero siyempre, pagka Saturday na, tomorrow na yung karera, hindi na advice para makapag-track read ka. Pero siyempre, you can also watch my videos for some more details about the course. It's a bike weather today. Swerte na mga maglo-long ride. Dito tayo ngayon sa Orange Bridge. Alam nyo guys, kapag race weekend, kung saan ako excited. Excited ako sa carbo loading. Okay guys, pabalik na tayo sa parking. Talagang easy ride lang tayo. We just keep the legs spinning, and then wala nang crazy efforts. Tapos we will make sure na we are fully recovered. Pero hindi naman yung parang 2 linggo tayong walang padyak. Dapat we can still feel some strain on the legs because of this ride. This is the event center, guys, ng race for tomorrow. Okay, let's hydrate and carb up. Okay na, thank you. Sige po. Oh, dito na yung mga taga Lucena, magka-gravel race. Shoutout na, shoutout. Baka bukas hindi tayo makita-kita.
Good morning. Shoutout sa Lucena Bomb Bikes. Lucena Bomb Bikes.
Oh, ready na kayo bukas, ha?
Yes po, yes po.
Kita-kita tayo. Good luck, good luck. You have the cup, shirt, tsaka gel, courtesy of Go Race Philippines Overland Gravel. Everything is ready. Set up na lang natin yung bike. Lagay natin yung number dun sa jersey natin na gagamitin. Tapos yung number dun sa bike, the timing chip na nandun sa number, ayusin natin. And then that's it. We hope for the best. We enjoy the race. Basically, ganyan yung nagiging setup natin kapag race weekend. So, the following morning, tomorrow, race day, and I'm praying for good weather for tomorrow. At saka we're hoping for a great race at saka safe race to everyone. So that's it for today's vlog. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. At kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe at my YouTube channel. Kung meron kayong mga tanong, comment down below, sagutin natin yan, God willing. Ride safe, stay healthy, God bless you all. This is the Cycling Chef.